Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I have another banger for y'all. This is actually a banger racing game. This is a game where you just try to crash into each other and do demolitions, derbies, and stuff. It's really fun and you can actually mod it. So I have some of the best mods that I can find, and we're gonna be, you know, playing with those mods, maybe doing a few crazy thingies with them, and hoping that we win all these races. So let's do this. Okay, guys. So the first thing I'm going to be doing in this video is a demolition derby where me and everybody else is a bunch of lawnmowers. Oh wow. Oh wow. Um, what? Ah! Okay, this is crazy. Oh, dang. That was a hard hit. There we go. Minus 44? Oh, dang. He got messed up. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, dang. Oh, we got somebody stuck here. That can always be good. About to hit him as hard as I can. Full force! Oh, no. He drove away before I was able to hit him. Oh, let's go. He got destroyed. He's wrecked now. Takes my opponents down. Dang. That was a hard hit. Oh. Oh! 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 I did not see him. I was just going after DBP Sony. Oh, no. Guess I can't hit that. Oh, did he just wreck himself? That's funny. You don't want to do that. There we go. Did I wreck him? No. Mortifier, get back here. Minus 35. Oh, wow. Alright, I only have 3 opponents left, and I'm going to need to make sure that I hit on a lot, because I need to not get out. Oh, there we go. I got to be careful with those hard hits, though, because I'm starting to get kind of low myself. I'm at 23, which seems a bit lower than Luke Way, or whatever his name is. Oh, no. Go, go, go. Oh. Oh, okay, we're at 20 health. I can wreck him. My last opponent. Hopefully if I just hit him. Oh no, I missed him. Oh! Oh, I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Come on. Come on, get back here. Equal. Did he just hit a wall? He hit a wall? Oh no. This guy really does not want to be hit. Why am I on fire? Looks like I won. Come on. Okay, so the next race I'm going to do is called Hell Ride. It looks kind of weird. I'll let you guys tell me what you think that looks like in the comments. But let's do this. Alright, what car should we use? Ooh. There's a lot of good ones. I'll use the Supra. How about the other people are in limos. Oh, they're like off-road limos. Why are they off-road? Alright, looks like I'm a bit faster than them. Oh no. Oh! Oh my god! No. No shot. Oh no! Oh no. Oh, I'm in fourth place. Oh! He's crashed himself. Oh, it's his fault. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. My car. My car's so messed up. Oh! First person view is insane. Oh! That guy is flipping. Oh no! Oh no, I did not mean to do that. Oh, I wrecked him. Please stay on the ramp. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I just wrecked him. I barely hit him. Oh. Wow. He just jumped right over me. Oh no. Oh no, come on. No, I was so close to the finish. So far, I've been doing good at demolition derbies, and I've definitely been doing good at wrecking people. So let's hope I can keep that streak going. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh! Oh no! Oh! I did not know you could jump off. That's awesome. Oh. No, 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 come on. Stay on. Stay, stay, stay. No, no! Oh, dang. There we go. Dang, this F1 car's kind of strong. Could be because it's a modded car, though. Oh, I just jumped over him. Oh, what a wheelie. Oh, I landed on top of him. That's awesome. Helicopter, helicopter. I can stay on. Oh, I hit him. Oh, he flipped. I'm surprised I stay up right there. Oh, dang. He got destroyed. Oh! Dang, what a hard hit. Lucky, man. Oh, man. Oh! Upside down. Wrecking assist. Although that doesn't give me a wreck. Oh, that sucks. Rice! Of course Rice is in a demolition derby. He loves that. If you guys understand what I mean. Oh, helicopter! Helicopter's done for. Not helicopter. Oh, this is just chaos. I love it. Oh, Bice? Help. Don't get hit, don't get hit. His name's Bice, not Rice. Oopsies. Who get hit? Oh, Lee Dongus is almost dead. I love that name. Lee Dongus is crazy. Bye-bye, Lee Dongus. Lee Dongus is going off the map. No! Turns out I am. No. Hey, Lee Dongus came with me, though, so we're good. Oh, we got a limo? Mr. Woody, come here. Come on, don't go off the map. All right, 3 opponents. Of course, Rice is still on the run. I know his name is Bice. I'm just keeping the joke going. Is his name German Counterbanner? Contrabanner? Whatever. Oh! Oh, that was only one health. Womp womp. He sucks. Come on, come on, come on. I can win this. Oh, crap. Oh, dang. Oh, German Comet Gainer. Right on top of those cars. This thing can catch some serious air. I just realized. Oh, dang. This thing can catch some serious air. Wrecked. Oh, German Comet Gamer. Yes! Threw him right off the map and finished him off. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want more like this, let me know in the comments. I had a lot of fun making this. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see any other games. Tell me about it. Alright, see you guys. Bye.